Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to delete an unpublished Facebook page, ensuring you can clean up any unwanted drafts or test pages with ease. First, log in to Facebook and switch to the profile associated with the page. Then, navigate to your page's dashboard by clicking on Pages in the left menu, or by searching for your page. Once on your page, click Manage Page or Settings, usually found in the left sidebar or under the three-dot menu. Look for General Settings, then scroll down until you find the Remove Page section. Here, you'll see the option to delete your page. Confirm this action, and remember, you usually have a few days to cancel the deletion if you change your mind. And that's it. Your unpublished Facebook page will be gone.